At the beginning, I used to think that the trading strategy is the most important thing in order for you to make money in the trading world. However, this quickly changed since I realized that you need a lot of different things to actually be a profitable and a good trader. I'm not sure if you're familiar with the show Avatar, where he has to master all four elements: water, air, fire, and earth. This is exactly what we have to do as traders. We have to master and keep in harmony not only our trading strategy, but also our risk management, our discipline, and most importantly, our psychology. So I'm going to go over psychology first and discuss every single domain that I just mentioned. One of the biggest challenges that traders face is keeping their emotions out of the way. There is a quote that says, "Trade the chart, not your heart," and I 100% agree to this one. Now, if we look at my TradeZella stats, and more specifically, one of the recent trades that I placed in the end of May, we can see that this losing trade right here in Euro USD with minus 22.4 cents Euro loss, I should have closed it way earlier. And the thing is that I let my emotions take over me. So this is an example of how fear and greed can interfere with your trades. When you're in big profits, you fear that you're going to lose these profits and that the market may reverse on you. So you close your trades way too early, even if the strategy is telling you to keep the trade open. And on the other hand, because you want to generate money right now, you want to capitalize on every single opportunity, and you're being greedy, you end up taking every possible scenario that you see in front of you. But picking mediocre setups does not always end up in winning trades. It's exactly the opposite. You will end up having more losing trades instead of good ones. You practically need to have the avatar mindset, if you will. And one key change to make is the moment you realize that the opportunities are plenty. The moment that you realize that the opportunities are out there waiting for you and they're always going to show up, you will start picking those mediocre setups and you will focus more on the A-plus setups in order for you to capitalize on the markets. Now, when it comes to risk management, you should always be ready for a potential loss. Before entering any trade, I always keep in mind that this potential trade may result in a loss. And the way that I am calm if this trade hits my stop loss is risk management. I do trade a $1,000 account right now, and I do risk only 3% of my account. So you need to risk an insignificant amount, really, whenever you enter a trade. Because you will enter multiple trades, and you don't need this specific one to be your biggest winning trade. You have to build your account steady and slowly in order to make those gains, and not to worry about if this trade goes the wrong way. I know that whenever you enter a trade, you're feeling 100% sure that this trade is going to end up in a good way. However, what if it doesn't? You cannot risk 5 or like 10, 20% of your account all at once. You cannot put all your eggs in one basket. So you have to lower your risk so that you can also keep your psychology in check and everything be aligned and in balance, if that makes sense. Now, when I am talking about discipline, I'm not only referring to the emotional discipline, the discipline to like do a body scan of your emotions and your body and understand that maybe it's time to take a step back from your trades because you're not mentally okay. But I'm also talking about the discipline to show up every day even if you don't want to. You cannot just trade for one day of the week and for the rest week you don't even look at the charts. This is not possible. You need to be there, you need to put the chart time in and focus on the instrument that you are trading in order to see their movements and show up in every single opportunity and then decide if this opportunity is worth risking money for. Now let's discuss discipline in a more general way. Every single year on every New Year's Eve, I kind of have the same resolutions. For example, I always say to be in a great shape and hit the gym more often, but I never do that. So this is my resolution for every year. However, this year, 2024, my resolution was to actually be a good and profitable trader. And believe me that I did put some effort in it and I'm trying to see results right now. So if you want something and you do have the discipline to actually go and chase it, I believe that it's going to happen to you. It's like manifestation. You manifest something into your life for so long, and it actually occurs. Last but not least, I want to discuss the trading strategy. Every single trader has one, but the thing is that none of those strategies out there, or even mine, are perfect. You have to experience some losses before you can refine and polish your own strategy. And the thing is that you have to make it your own. For example, I am a swing trader and I have adjusted my trendline trading strategy to be a swing trading strategy as well. So I don't have to look at the charts that often, and this really fits my lifestyle and my personality. If you have not found a trading strategy yet, you can also check my video on YouTube where I always discuss about this trendline trading strategy. And I hope I provided some valuable lessons in today's video. Thank you so much for watching. I am Basil Kron, and I will see you on the next one. Bye bye.